Welcome to the recipe. I'm Chef Yanero. I'm from Date Bay, first of all, so I've been close to the ocean all my life. And one of the things that I really enjoy doing is diving, spearfishing, get fresh fish, come back inshore, straight to the grill. That translated later on in life, where I decided to pursue a more professional career in cooking. And here I am today, owner of Yani's One Pot. Today, we're gonna create one of our crowd favorites. It's gonna be a pan-seared salmon with a Cajun cream sauce, paired with some garlic mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, and a small micro salad. All right, let's get into it. Firstly, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our stove, our pan nice and hot. You wanna give it about a medium heat. We're gonna get our salmon marinated. We're gonna use a blend of my local seasonings, some thyme, some herbs, little garlic, salt, pepper, and that kind of thing. Again, same thing on the other side. And we're gonna set that aside. So we're gonna add just a little bit of the oil, just a drizzle, just enough to coat the bottom of your pan. We're gonna just add our salmon to the pan. We're going for a nice golden brown sear on our salmon. We're gonna add some more aromatics to the salmon. We're gonna start out with our wine, white wine, sprig of thyme, and then we're gonna add some butter. Gonna add our cream and some more of my seasoning blend. You just wanna kind of baste it to make sure that you get all those flavors. So our salmon is ready. Today we have broccoli and carrots. What we're gonna do definitely is make sure that we are putting in that carrot first, because the broccoli is gonna cook a little quicker. What you don't want to do is boil your vegetables too long, and then they get mushy, and we're gonna have a nice crunch when we eat our vegetables. So a very gentle boil here for our vegetable bath. You always make sure to add your broccoli last when you're cooking vegetables. You gotta be mindful of what is gonna take longer to cook. So we have our mash here that we've prepared already. And we're just gonna toss our veg in there. Can't forget the sauce. A side of steamed vegetables, a small micro salad, and a pan-seared salmon with Cajun cream sauce. One of our top favorites here at Yani's One Pot. We are located in Frigate Bay at the Seahawk Marina. I just wanna invite everybody to come on down, try the food. And we always have a cold beer, fresh cocktails, handcrafted by our lovely bartenders here. Enjoy the food. This has been the recipe.